Hey there, busy bees and budget bosses. Are you looking for a super simple, healthy treat you can whip up in minutes? Something that uses ingredients you probably already have? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're making a delicious smoothie using a true pantry hero, canned fruit cocktail. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert. This isn't just easy, it's incredibly versatile. It's great for beginners because there's no complicated prep. It's healthy thanks to the yogurt, quick for busy mornings, and budget-friendly because canned fruit is economical. It's a fantastic way to use up that can sitting on your shelf. Let's gather our simple ingredients and get blending. You only need a few things for this tasty blend. Grab a can of fruit cocktail. Remember to drain the heavy syrup. You'll also need some plain Greek yogurt for creaminess and protein. We'll add some ice cubes to make it cold and refreshing. A splash of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon will give it a lovely warm flavor. That's it. Making this smoothie couldn't be easier. First, open your can of fruit cocktail and drain off the syrup. You just want the fruit pieces. Carefully add the drained fruit cocktail to your blender. Next, scoop in your Greek yogurt. Add the ice cubes, the vanilla extract, and the pinch of cinnamon. Secure the lid tightly on your blender. Now blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, you can add a tiny splash of water or milk, but usually the fruit provides enough liquid. Pour your beautiful, colorful smoothie into a glass. Give it a little stir if needed. And there you have it, a quick, healthy, and delicious smoothie made from simple pantry staples. It's proof that you don't need fancy ingredients to make something wonderful. Enjoy every sip. It's a sweet, satisfying treat you can feel good about. Happy blending.